There are many reasons for hair loss, such as excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll instantly notice your hair grow fast. Take 4 tablespoons carrot juice in a bowl. Carrots contain vitamin A, a nutrient that may condition your scalp. As per anecdotal evidence, carrots may also improve the overall strength of your hair and make it thicker and shinier. The nutrients in carrots may also improve blood circulation to your scalp, which may help in promoting hair growth. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Lemon also promotes hair growth. They are rich in many nutrients: citric acid, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, pectin, and flavonoids, each of which is beneficial for hair growth. The vitamin C improves the collagen production, which in turn makes the hair grow. Add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Mix well. You can apply this remedy to your scalp and hair. Gently massage yours for a good 30 minutes. Leave it in your hair for at least 2 hours. You can apply this remedy 3 times a week, and in about 2 weeks' time, you will see a difference. Make sure you massage your scalp for 30 minutes, since this will promote a healthy blood flow, which means better circulation, which leads to faster and healthier hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.